Back in October 2022, Oppo introduced the A77s to the market. There was very good response to that phone. And in light of all this, Oppo has resolved to step up its performance in the mid-range sector in the year 2023. Now it's back with the Oppo A78 5G, which will be unveiled for the first time in Malaysia. Eventually, the product will find its way to the Indian market. The big question, though, is whether or not the Oppo A78 5G is worth its asking price. Is it an exceptional product, or do you think it's simply another average gadget that doesn't merit your time? So, let's find out. Tech specs for the Oppo A78 5G. Its front panel has an HD Plus quality IPS LCD screen that is 6.56 inches in diagonal size. Oppo used a quick 90 Hz display in the A78 5G to stay up with the competition. That will undoubtedly result in a much more polished UI. A front-facing camera of 8 megapixels is also available. That sensing unit is hidden away in a tiny water drop-shaped cutout. As a bonus, it needs to be able to satisfactorily meet your requirements for taking selfies and making video calls. The back has a unique 2-ring configuration. The Oppo A78 5G has a 50-megapixel main camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor in its distinctive dual-ring chassis. The Oppo A78 5G also has a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor under the hood. Oppo put 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage space beside the SoC. The inclusion of a microSD card slot is a major plus, since it provides the opportunity to increase the amount of available storage space. The Oppo A78 5G's battery life will astound you. The battery inside may be charged quickly, up to 5,000 mAh thanks to the 33W fast charging capabilities. ColorOS 13, which is based on Android 13, is pre-installed on the device. The Oppo A78 5G will be available in 2 colors, glowing purple and glowing black. The official price has not yet been released by the firm. On January 14, however, it will officially join the marketplaces in India and Malaysia, so we will soon be able to find out more about it. Plus, the phone seems to have decent overall specifications. Can you tell me how to tell whether my Oppo phone is 5G capable? Launch the device's configuration menu. After selecting Network and Internet, tapping Mobile Network reveals a drop-down menu where you may choose your preferred network technology. It will be labeled as 2G divided by 3G divided by 4G divided by 5G if it can handle 5G.